So we all love nature, isn't it? And have you felt that inner peace when you are so near to any water body or any river or any lake? It feels so nice, isn't it? And today is Sunday, and I woke up very early, and with a friend, I just went to nearby Riverside, and actually we just went out. We had no plans. It was just spontaneous, and I felt so peaceful there, and the place was beautiful. Any riverside is beautiful, but that you get that kind of peace when you are near to a water body. It feels so nice, and I just wanted to show you some clips of that place. So keep on watching the video. The river is actually Kaliyani River, and it's very near to our township. It's just a 5 minutes drive from our township, and we often go to that river for picnics when it's winters. Today we just felt that we should go there because we woke up early and we had to do something because it's Sunday. So we went there, and I just want to tell you that that place was really calming. And when you sit nearby any river, especially in the morning, you feel so calm, so peaceful. And planning to do some gardening today because I have literally no work because kids are not there. They have gone to their grandfather's place with their father. So I'm all alone and enjoying my freedom like anything. And now I'm just having my breakfast, and straightly I'll go to my garden and I'll do some gardening. I'll plant some winter flowers. So that's my small little garden, and I just have to plant some winter flowers. So let's see how it goes. So finally I've taken my bath, and now I'm going downstairs, and I have plans only to do gardening today and nothing else, because as you can see, my house is empty and nobody's there. So let's go outside. So this is one place in my garden where I can sit for hours and relax. But today I have no time to relax, as I have got so many saplings to plant. So let's see how many I can do, but I'm planning to plant all of them because from tomorrow my office will start and I won't be able to do any gardening. So it's like on Sundays I plan all my outdoor works, because on weekdays I'm so busy with my indoor works that I just don't find time. Even sometimes I don't get time to water my plants also, but I make sure I take out some time to water them, because in winters the plant, they need watering frequently. So here's my gardening, and let's see how it goes. Winter flowers needs a lot of water, and winters are also dry, so it's very important to water your plants frequently, so that they give lots of bloom. So here I am watering on my plants. So where I live here, it's not only me who's doing all the gardening. It's almost everyone are very enthusiastic people, and everybody does winter gardening, and it's just like a festival. Everybody just decorates their garden, plan the layouts and everything, and it's also nice to see the flowers blooming in the winters, and they are very colorful, and they are very beautiful to look at. And my neighbors are also doing their bit of gardening, and I'll show you a very good piece of work which my neighbor had made. That's a fountain. Look at this. Here's my neighbor Anup Das. He has made this fountain himself, and they have just set it up today, and it's working nice. And after all those gardening, here I am, tired and having my apple. So I'm ending my vlog. Bye for today.